Alright guys, so today Shawn's gonna be baking a cake, and this is what he has here. He has the sprinkles, he has the white frosting, well, vanilla frosting. He has yellow cake. He's gonna need the canola, well, oil. He has his icing here, his eggs, and he has a bowl. Alright, Shawn, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, he's ready, guys. Okay, one moment. We'll be back. Okay.
Why are they burned?
Say hey, guys.
Hi guys.
Alright, guys, welcome to Shawn's Playhouse. Today he is going to be baking a yellow cake today. Alright, guys, and he has blue frosting, and he has some, well, icing, and then he has some green icing here. So he wanted to bake a cake, and that's what we're going to do today. So guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to Shawn's Playhouse. He's going to be dropping 2 videos a week, just 2, maybe just 1 video a week. I think maybe just 1 because it's a lot to get him on the camera, but he actually loves being in front of the camera, guys. So please like the video, subscribe, and thank you guys for stopping by. Alright guys, so Junior moved over a little bit. Okay guys, so Junior, come on, pour this in. Pour that in, baby. Pour it in. Good job. Awesome. Alright, so then you need the oil. Pour in the oil. Good job. Alright, and then it says we need 3 eggs. How many eggs we need? 3. Say 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
3. So we got 1. Ready? Crack.
Ready? Yeah.
2. Ready? Come on, crack it with mommy. 2.
You look out.
And we got 3 eggs. Ready? Crack.
Baby.
Yeah. No, baby, don't eat that. Nasty. It's not good. Alright, guys, so we do have a blender, but he is actually afraid of the blender. So what I'm gonna let him do is just mix it without using the blender. Hey baby. So you're gonna mix it up. There you go.
What's a bigger? What's a bigger? Wait, how did this? Yeah, Jeremy, you sit there. Good.
Mix, mix, mix.
You did good. Yeah, sir. I'm a goodie. Yes, Jeremiah, and you get it?
No, just keep mixing. Alright guys, we'll be back. I think I'm gonna have to take over and go ahead and blend the cake batter with the blender. So we will be right back. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and mix it for him, and he went running. So there's the batter there. So now we just have to go ahead and put in some oil in these 2 pans. So that's what I'm going to do for Shawn. Just put a little bit of oil. Go ahead, baby. 1, there you go. Okay, whoa, that was a little bit too much.
Why are you coming there? Oh no, it's coming there.
Right. Oh no. Okay, and then I just spread it around. Okay. Okay, here. Guys, this is so easy. But, you know, I'm sure you guys bake with your children, but the kids love it. And Shawn loves to bake. Right, baby? So he likes to bake and he likes to cook. So, but you didn't cover your mouth, and that's a good thing. That's your cake, no one else's. All right, guys. So, so come on, Juju. Let's go ahead and pour in the batter. Come on. There we go. Okay. And we're gonna put a little over here. Wait, baby, wait. All right, guys. So this is what we have here. Sorry about that. My camera died. So this is what we have. Now it's going in the oven. It's going in the oven, guys. And we will see you later. Say see you later. Alright, guys. So Shawn is going to go ahead and frost the cake. And I'm going to assist him, of course. Wait. Okay. Okay, wait, you gotta save some for the top, okay? And I don't even think we need this much. Okay, so go ahead, mix it around. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's the bottom layer. Good job. Okay, that's the bottom layer. Now mommy gonna give you the top layer.
The top there.
Okay, take your spoon, and mommy gonna go ahead and dump this out. Alright, and then you're gonna just spread it around like you did. The other one? Okay, one moment, hold on.
Oh, you like it.
Okay,
There.
be careful, okay? So you can go ahead and put the...
Stop.
Okay, good job. Well, now mommy gonna give you that. So you could draw now, okay? Before you mess up your cake. Okay? A little bit of frosting. Juju. Okay, guys. So now Julius, I guess he's enjoying the frosting. Uh-oh. Okay, so now I'm going to give him green.
Green.
Let you decorate it. Let's turn it this way. Okay.
Come on. You do it, Mom.
Mommy, I have to open it. Let me open it, okay? Is it yummy? Hey, don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here you go. You got blue. Ooh. And then let's make some. No, not like that. Make a, see? Okay. I guess this is his cake, guys, so.
Oh, stop.
Here we go. Oh, a big glob of blue. Okay. Whoa. Let me see. Okay, because we got sprinkles now. Remember, we got the sprinkles? Now let's get the sprinkles.
Sprinkle. Maya.
Sprinkle. Hey, focus. Hey.
Maya. Sprinkle Maya.
Hey, Juju. Okay. Put the sprinkles on, okay?
Okay. Okay. What? Please. Wait. Whoa. Good.
Yay, you're all done.